Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to create a meme coin on Solana for free. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Creating a meme coin on Solana can be a fun and an educational project, and while it's not exactly free in the sense of having no cost, you can minimize costs significantly by using Solana's low transaction fees and various free resources to create the coin. So the first step is to set up your development environment. Before you start, you need to set up your development environment to interact Solana's blockchain, install Rust, then install Solana CLI. Now once that's done, install Ancoil as well. Then create a Solana wallet, install Phantom Wallet or Solid Wallet to manage your Solana wallet. This wallet allows you to interact with Solana's network, set up a wallet and get your public address as well. Second is to write the token smart contract. Solana uses the token program to create and manage tokens. You can create a meme coin on Solana by using its token standard SPL Solana program library. There is no need to write a smart contract manually for creating a simple token like a meme coin, since Solana provides the tools to mint SPL tokens indirectly. Now once that's done, mint your meme coin as well. Minting is the process of creating a specific number of tokens for your meme coin. You can mint as many tokens as you want. Number 4 is to add liquidity and list on decentralized exchanges. Once your token is created and minted, you will want to provide liquidity to so people can trade your meme coin. Add liquidity or to a DEX, list your coin, and then market and engage the community, monitor and update. And these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.